Welcome to the warehouse tour. Definitely go watch the grand reveal video. You're gonna want to see that before you see this one. Trust me, it'll make more sense. There's awesome cinematics. Just watch it. We'll first start outside and then work our way in. Out front we have the big garage door, the little door for people. That's for big trucks and big cars. They'll be rolling in here. Go straight from the main road. This is the main road of my town. It goes all the way through here, and we're gonna pave this area, knock down that house and these trees next week. All this is gonna be flattened. That hump is gonna be flattened right there, and this is all gonna be lot for selling cars. All paved, cars lined up here. Another mini door out there for this is smaller than the other garage door, but we have the door into the main part as well, and a door into my office in there. You'll see that later. Here's a small garage door. Can't fit many cars, probably my Miata. That's why I'm gonna have my own personal Miata entrance. We have a bigger front lot out here. This is all ours. We own these two buildings as well. Thinking about getting rid of that building, and yeah, we're going to knock this house down, so it's all gonna be clean, all nice. As I trip over some sticks. Entrances through all throughout the road. We have another side area over here. If you can see that right there, that is an area for another door. So that is going to go into the waiting room for customers to go in and buy their cars. So let's see the cars out here, pull in, look at them, and then go into that door into the waiting room and then buy cars from an office that's right here. Trees have to go. This is gonna be an entertaining video, seeing this house get knocked down. It's better to look at all this space we have on this lot. Think about with that house gone, just all of this clean sweep, cars all along here. We're right by the main highway, sorry for the cars passing by, which is probably the best selling point of this location, is because there's so much traffic here. And with all of the cars lined up along this area here, man, so many people are gonna come buy cars. It's such a better location than the other place we had out in the middle of nowhere down some back road. I'll get into details once I get inside. We do not own past that trailer, unfortunately, as well as this back lot over here. It's pretty big back here. We could definitely like hang out back there, but we don't own it, unfortunately. Which this brings us to the back of the warehouse. Fairly large, definitely needs some fixing up. Needs a new paint scheme as well. This mint green ain't doing it for me. Probably black, maybe gray, a nice darker color. So that'll just about do it for the inside, or for the outside rather. Let's go inside. So going through this nice door here. Okay, first off on our right, we have the shower room. This is separate from the bathroom. It just has a shower there and a little waiting room here. This used to be a gym actually, so people could change and shower while other people are going to the bathroom in there. Inside of this bathroom, we have the employee bathroom. Trying to flip the light on. We got the sink here. It definitely needs some new wallpaper. Oh Lord, this is some tacky wallpaper. Got a big basin sink for washing our hands. Little mirror. Hello. Coming out of the bathroom, we have this big main area. This is where all the cars are going to be. A couple lifts, maybe there or over here. Lifting the cars, we can service them. It's mainly going to be used cars that we're selling here. So not much mechanical work, just to get them sort of up and ready to sell. Mainly detailing over there actually. This is gonna be my bay. This wall was actually here because this was partitioned off, and there was, when we used to own it back in the day, there was, I forgot what it was, but it was like a karate gym or something here. Okay, so here we have the inside. This is the inside of that smaller door I said the Miata could only fit into. We got another people door. Big area. And in here is my office. This is gonna be my area, my location. I do have coworkers here. They actually own the business that is moving into my building. So this building my dad owns, and we are partnering with a business called Total Chaos Auto. They
are definitely upgrading. This is a big upgrade on the main street in my entire town. It's literally called the Golden Mile. So here's my area, my office. It needs some paint, for sure. I'm probably gonna keep this bed frame. Definitely throw out the mattress. This is, believe it or not, the better side of the mattress. I'm not gonna flip it over and show you what's underneath, but it's pretty stained up. It's a perfect size for my bed here. This does transform into a couch. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Not pleasant. Oh Lord. So this does turn into a couch with enough elbow grease. Here is, I'm not quite sure what this is. It's like a built-in shelf unit. I don't know who built this because we've owned this building for forever. I don't know what tenant built it, but I'm gonna have hopefully a mini fridge, freezer, food up there, clothes maybe, and a microwave. This used to be a window into the other waiting room over there, which I'll show you in a little bit. But we patched this up just this weekend because I don't plan on serving any tacos into the waiter room. Might as well patch that up. So, and then we have my ghetto setup for now. I'm definitely gonna build a new desk, chair. For now I have a swivel chair that's currently missing a wheel. So this has the window into the main area, which I think is awesome. I can look up from my desk into the main area. Probably gonna put blinds here so people can't just look into me. Maybe a little one-way window so I can spy on some fools. Definitely gonna take this down because it's blocking the door right there. That white part is a door that leads to the outside, so I don't even have to go into here in order to go into my room. I just go through that door. That'll pretty much be it for my office area. Moving on to the area for my coworkers, they just built this past weekend. Somewhere they were here today actually finishing the ceiling up here. They did a great job. They did it in such little amount of time, and I think it looks awesome. Ignore the graffiti in here. Someone must have stuck in here at one point and graffitied that up. But this is the waiting room from the outside. That was that door I showed you. We're gonna probably have a glass door. This will be where the customers wait. Put those chairs into here. They'll be waiting here. Maybe a vending machine for myself and the customers. And here we have the main office for the people actually working with me, selling cars. So if you were to buy a car, you go from here into here, get the transaction done, pay up the money, work up a deal, pay for your used car. The cars here, we're looking to do under 5,000, but that's what they did at the old location. But I'm not sure, since this is kind of a bigger, more high-end area, if we're gonna do more high-end cars, maybe above 5,000. Here is a office, or not an office, a closet. That's what it is, closet. A closet for things. That's what you put in closets. Things. Filing cabinet. That's the word I was looking for. Damn filing cabinet, so we can lock titles and everything. Because by law, you need to have a locking area to store like your titles and keys and everything. So it's not just all willy-nilly and people can steal your keys and crap. We have the corner of stuff we need to rearrange. This is kind of our junk corner. Not really junk, but they're furniture we need to lay around the place. Some merchandise cabinets. We want to sell actual merch, Total Chaos merch. So shirts, hats, everything. Probably not gonna do pants. Maybe pants down the road. Pants. Put whatever pants, shirts, whatever in there, and customers can see that, buy it. Who knows? Maybe I'll set up a merch site, and y'all can buy merch. We have the centralized heater right there. This place is heated. The running water isn't working currently because the old tenant forgot to heat up the water pipes. So in the winter, kablooey, they burst. And we now don't have running water because of him. But we'll definitely do that probably after we tear down the house, the blue house in front. Toilet no worko for now. Let me just do a quick pan from the corner. This door is very finicky. It worked yesterday, it worked early today. I can't seem to get it open. Even the latches are undone. It just goes through a certain point and then kind of stops. We're gonna fix that. Make it automatic as well. Probably not for that door, because that's just going to be my personal door. That's going to be my bay over there for the Miata, and maybe a new project coming soon. New project car. I'll give you a little hint. It is, let's see, the first and only mass production American mid-engine car. Get your brain working. That is the car that I'll be bringing to the channel soon. Needs some work. My dad bought it years ago, and I'm gonna be fixing it up because it's a little. It's been sitting for a while. Hopefully that wasn't used to make meth or something. It's a heater. Trust me. That's what it is. It's a heater. Not a meth cooking device. So yeah, I gotta put lights in there. Definitely change these annoying as hell fluorescents. They're buzzing in my ear all the time. Change that to LED. That'll definitely save us money in the long run because LEDs are way, way, way more efficient than these crappy fluorescents. Save us money, be better, look better, not buzz. So yeah, stay tuned. Definitely subscribe, hit the bell. Gonna be a lot of new videos on this stuff. I'm so excited to revamp this place. Definitely needs a new coat of fresh paint with everything metaphorically and physically, a new coat of fresh paint. So I'm excited. Also better internet than at my house, so I can actually finally stream reliably. I had the worst internet at my place, and I tried streaming, but it was in 360p with like 2 bitrate. So that was awful, but this place has way better internet because it's a town. I can get like fiber, like better than gigabit here. Actually, it's not fiber, it's still over copper, but I can get 1,200 megabit down. That's pretty redonkulous. Gotta get some new flooring, paint, everything, a new window for that. So yeah, subscribe, hit the bell. Don't miss an episode on this. You better not. Trust me, you better not. Next video will probably be the demolition of that house over there. Leave it a like for the new content, the new series on the channel. Gonna be a lot of new series because we've got all of the cars, the Miata and well, I almost said the name of it, and the mid-engine car. Detailing, I know a lot of people like detailing on YouTube because the satisfaction of the stuff you do when detailing. Oh, another thing, it will be really revamping this place. Like I said, that'll be a cool kind of progress to watch. Also, I might do the adventures of selling cars. That might be interesting. My coworkers, they're pretty funny. So yeah, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Peace and quiet. Away from that buzzing. One more thing before I go. I want to thank all of you so much for giving me so many views on that AK video. The one of me shooting the AK and Glock. That did amazing. It's at like, what, 80K now? 80,000 views, almost 100,000 views. That is awesome. It's doubled my subscribers. That single video. Like, I don't know if it hit the algorithm or what, but thank you all for watching that and subscribing. And if you're there from that, you're a legend. If you're there from before that, you're even more of a legend. And if you're here from now on, you are the biggest legend of all. Yes. So thank you for subscribing from that. Thank you for viewing that. That is amazing. I love all of you, and I'll see you later.